short little video of what I'm able to do before I even start a job. Show the clients what their kitchen is going to look like, or bathroom, doesn't matter. Entertainment centers, wall units. But so I'm able to do that. Move the job around so they get a 360 view of what they're looking at. Show the clients, okay, there's your broom closet, there's your pantry, there's your refrigerator upper, there's a lower sink cabinet in the corner, there's your upper micro hood, stove, cabinet to the left, cabinet to the right, stack of drawers. So that's what this software is able to do.